Hi everyone, so for my project I'll be looking deeper into the Seesaw Me website. Here in the background is the startup page. So far I've entered my classmates, but I still haven't used it just yet because I haven't received my tablets for my classroom. But it's an app that's supposed to be used for different activities in the classroom. Students can post their work, you can post work on here and create newsletters. It's mainly used to increase student-teacher relationships with parents. But the main purpose I'll be using this for is for parent communication, as well as promoting technology in the pre-K classroom. So in the background here, I found some of the standards that I can use this app for. These are the New York State pre-K standards for using technology. I will be focusing on number 4 and number 5. Number 4 says understands the operation of technology systems, and 5 uses the knowledge of technology to increase learning. Let me switch on over. So some of the features that are on the Seesaw Me website is photo. Here, students can upload pictures of something they've done or a picture that they want to take of themselves and send it to their parents. Another is video. I would use video during probably one of the large group activities when you can record the children actively engaged in an activity. Another feature is drawing. If the students are in the technology area or the computer area, they can use the tablet and use it to draw on. Another piece is to add a file, a note, or a link. Another cool feature that is offered on the Seesaw Me app is the microphone. So I would be able to incorporate language as a standard that is being used with using this technology. Students can record themselves and send it to their parents, or they can retell a story, which can go well with the ELA standards. Another cool feature that I can't wait to use is the track parent and student engagement over time. So both parents and students can engage in this app, and you can get weekly feedback from actual usage and then weekly feedback of parent engagement. Another cool feature, I didn't mean to go there, but another cool feature on here, let me see if I can navigate through this in real time for you, is the journal. You can add your newsletters on here. But another cool feature is the inbox. So you could inbox a specific family or a group of students' family and send them personal messages, or they can send you a message right here and right in real time here. And you get notifications for each. So the way this works is you enter all your students, which I have done already, and then once you're ready to use it, they have an invitational code that you send and you print out for each student, and you hand them out to get them on the actual website. And then from there you can start having the students input pictures or their work or recordings, and then you can start putting information on there as well. Another cool part that I found out when I was just playing around with this is they have an activity library of different ideas of how to use this app on here, which I thought was fun because I'm anxious to use this, but I haven't been using it. So now that I know that there's different things on here, I can get on here and look and get some ideas of how I'm going to implement this in my classroom. And that's about it for the Seesaw Me app.